Alright, what is going on everyone? Crypto Mackie bringing you guys another crypto video. Today we're discussing Casper, which is currently trading at 16 cents. Performed pretty well the past few days, so just thought I'd do an update video on Casper. I just want to say this is not financial advice, so please do your own research. If we look at it straight away, let's just zoom out a little bit. Talk about the bigger picture. So obviously we had this big symmetrical triangle, which I've been discussing for a while. If you've been watching my videos, you know about this. We rose up, almost hit our price target up here at 19 cents. We went as high as $18. Sorry, not $18. 18 cents, 18.6 cents. And then this breakout was really important because we hadn't had a proper breakout for a while. And then coming off the breakout, we came down, confirmed twice, and then formed this like symmetrical triangle, which we've been talking about as well. And I think we almost hit our price target here. I think we're a bit short. Just a little bit short, but pretty much hit our price target. And the good news is that we saw support off this line. I might change the hourly. It's a little bit clearer. So we saw support off this line, which was previously resistance there. And the other thing is, if we extend out this bottom line, we can see that we're coming down and we're about to get support off this line as well. So, which we had a lot of support here. If you look at this line, there's a lot of support on this line. So we could come down and support at 16 cents and rise back up, which would be very nice. Very nice to see. But Casper's just been performing really well. As I said, went to 18 cents. Like my last video I did, we were around this area here, or somewhere in here, and we broke out just after my video, and we rose up. And yeah, Casper went as high as 18 cents, which is really, really good. Very high prices. The importance of this is that Casper's been performing well whilst Bitcoin's not been performing well. So we can see Bitcoin at the moment at 56,000. It's currently holding support on our orange line here, but it's down. It's gonna be important that we hold this line. Ideally, we come back up, and I've also said that if we come back up like this, then we'll see a little W form, and that might give us enough of a push to get back into this channel, this sideways moving channel, which would be good. And if Bitcoin decides to do something like that, well, that would be good for Casper. Casper can have another move and start to rally up again, which would be good, and go for this target and this area. So there could be some resistance here moving forward. So maybe if it has a big move, we could do something like this. That area is probably gonna be some resistance at 19 cents, 19.5 cents. So we'll put those two lines there. If I just get the daily, one thing I want to do is we could say, if we want to look further in the future, as we could draw a line like this, and then connect this with our bottom line as well, which would be out here. So like this. The problem with this is that we're using, on the daily, we're using 1 wick here, another wick here. But this is just for like further speculation. Moving forward, if we think Casper can really start to move high. I mean, we look at this move that we saw right here. This is like a massive move. 270% move in 4 days. So it shows that there's like, the possibility is there for these big parabolic moves. And so this triangle here, if we were to break out of this, which we definitely can. It could be somewhere maybe over here, and move it down a little bit. Now we're talking about 30 cents. Going up to 30 cents, which would be really, really nice. What would Casper have to do? Maybe come down and test the bottom line as support. Could be important. Get support at 13 cents. This kind of range, 13, 14 cents maybe, and come back up and then break out. Or it could just move up from here where it's at. It's been moving very well recently, so we could just see it kind of come like this and out. That would be really good for Casper. Something to look forward to. Moving forward, as I said, it's going to be very reliant on what Bitcoin does. I can't see it doing a move like that when Bitcoin's trending down. But I mean, Bitcoin's still holding the line of 56,000. So if it holds a line or starts to go up, then that might give Casper a push, enough to get out of this symmetrical triangle. And the other thing to note is that our two price targets on one, this smaller symmetrical triangle, and two on this even smaller one, both the price targets are outside this symmetrical triangle. So ideally, and if you look at our resistance line we're talking about, I might go to the 4 hourly. Whoops. If you look at our area of resistance, it's outside this triangle. So we could come up, see resistance here, come back down, and confirm a breakout. That would be very nice. Come up here, see some resistance, come back down, get some support, and then up. That sort of movement there would be very nice, right? Resistance here at this level, come down, get support, smash through the resistance, and off. And look for a 30-cent Casper in the future. This is pretty much a speculation, obviously. Casper has been doing pretty well recently. Maybe a correction is due. But in saying that, like, I've had a couple corrections, like this one here. That was a 27% correction, which is a decent amount. A 14% correction here. These are decent corrections. Enough to say, okay, well, we've had a correction. The market's healthy. We can move back up. So we're also seeing confluence as I speak right now in this little groove here where there's 2 lines of support. If you stretch this one out, there's a couple of lines of support here that I might bounce off and move upward. So probably end the video there. I'll keep you updated on what Casper does in the next few days. I'll probably do a video tomorrow, the day after. See how it moves. Let me know in the comments what you think's gonna happen. Please like the video, comment, subscribe, share the video with your friends, and I'll see you later, guys. Enjoy.